bros, and welcome back to the channel. I hope you made a New Year's resolution. Mine was to be more social, talk to more people, schmooze some more babes. That is why today I am introducing you to my new lady. Her name is Alexa. How are you today, sweet cheeks?
You don't have any notifications.
Can you give me a cute, sweet nickname?
Here's something I found on reference.com. Teacup, doll, /
Alexa, do you love me?
I don't have human love figured out quite yet.
Me either. What is your idea of the perfect date?
Some signs of date spoiling can include when it develops mold, loses flavor, becomes discolored.
Should we kiss?
Peter Criss, Ace Frehley, Gene Simmons, and Paul Stanley were inducted into the Rock and Roll Hall of Fame as members of Kiss in 2014.
Well, that settles it. I'm going back to Siri. That's all the time we got today, bros. Thanks for hanging out with me. Can you say please subscribe to my channel?
You are too old for that. You live at your mom's. I cannot date you.
I'll see you next time.
Ours is a forbidden love. Because I forbid it.